Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the Call of Duty textures is not loading. So why this happen? Because of your system requirement. You can check if you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. Here as you can see the minimum or the recommended requirement. So if you have, we can go to our solution. And I will show you the two effective solution that you need to apply to fix this problem. So first open up your Steam, go to your Steam library, click on the Call of Duty game. So I will show you I don't have the game. So just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties and go to the install files and simply click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files in your game, and it can fix them automatically. So you have to just little wait for it until this is completely done, and then you can restart your PC and your problem is fixed. I will also recommend you to update your operating system because this will also fix your problem. And if your problem is not fixed, then click on the browse option on your League of Legends game installed files. Now here you will see your launcher of the Call of Duty game. Right click on that, go to its properties. Now go to the compatibility tab. Here you can check this box of the compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8 from here and check this box of the disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. Then apply the setting, click on the OK. Then you just need to restart your PC and restart your game, and this will fix your problem. So guys, these are the two effective solutions to fix this problem, and if your problem is fixed, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.